DocHub provides several options for uploading files to your account. From your dashboard, click New Document in the top left corner. Then, click Upload and select a document from your device. The fastest and easiest way to upload documents is to drag and drop them in the specified area on the page. If the document you need is located in the cloud, you can upload it from there. DocHub easily connects with Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and Box. Select the cloud storage you need and browse your files for import. Once DocHub is connected to your Google Drive, you can open Gmail attachments with DocHub. When browsing the web, you can copy the URL for a document and paste it into the field on your dashboard. Then, click Import and your document will be uploaded to your DocHub account. You could also use DocHub's Chrome extension to open documents directly in DocHub. If you don't want to upload anything, create a new document by clicking Create Blank Document. By default, all files you upload to DocHub are added to your individual account. But if you have a DocHub organization, you can upload your files there. From your organization's dashboard, select New Document and choose how you'd like to upload. You can also transfer documents from your individual account to your organization. On the upload page for your individual account, change the owner to the organization before uploading. Once a document is uploaded or created, you can place it in a specific folder, convert it to a template, or make it public.